Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Macrotech Developers. Our analyst retains positive view on Macrotech Developers and expect a 45% upside, even strong growth levers for its residential portfolio led by structural growth drivers. Property registration in Mumbai rose to 6.7% year-on-year in August 2024 and 14.6% year-on-year in FY25 till date. Maharashtra saw a rise of 2.1% year-on-year and 1.4% year-on-year respectively. Mumbai saw a strong 77% year-on-year rise in property registration, valued at Rs 2 crore and above with increasing share of larger apartments during August 24. Western and central suburbs maintained their dominance. The management targets pre-sale growth of over 20% year-on-year for FY25 at Rs 17,500 crore. OCF generation of Rs 6,500 crore, new business development worth Rs 21,000 crore and capping net debt to equity below 0.5 times. Next we have an update on Birlasoft. Our analyst maintains buy on Birlasoft with a price target of Rs 780 as we believe the company's strong deal pipeline, investment in capabilities and partnership, and recovery from Q2 would keep medium and long-term prospects intact. We expect sales CAGR of 9.1% and PAT CAGR of 12.3% over FY24 to 26. At current market price, the stock trades at 29.2 times its FY25 and 23.7 times its FY26 EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.